A microscope has an objective of focal length 2 cm, eyepiece of focal length 4 cm, and the tube length of 40 cm. If the distance of a distinct vision of eye is 25 cm, the magnification in the microscope is first 100, second 125, third 150, and fourth 250. So इन्होंने दिया है कि ऑब्जेक्टिव फोकल लेंथ दैट इज f0 इज इक्वल टू 2 cm एंड eyepiece focal length that is fe दिया है उन्होंने 4 cm and the tube length that is L equal to 40 cm and in the if the distance of distinct vision, so capital T दिया है इन्होंने 25 cm. So magnification of the microscope, magnification पूछा है हमें, so that is m equal to हमारे पास फार्मूला है इसका L divided by f0 into d divided by fe, that is focal length of eyepiece. So magnification m equal to L 40 centimeter, f0 that is 2 into d 25 and fe that is 4 centimeter. So if we simplify this, 4 1s are 4, 4 10 1, so a 10 250 and divided by, so m will be 125. So our option is second one is correct.